So I'm assuming you must have the basic knowledge about the Flutter, but still, I will try to cover everything. When the main function load, it should load the application. My app, I will be loading from my app, which is will be a stateless widget, and it will return a material app. Let me give some title. That is AI quiz, and it accepts a home parameter, which will be our home screen. Okay, so let's define a home screen. In the lib folder, I'm creating a screen folder which will contain all my screens. So first screen will be home screen, extension would be dot. So home screen would be stateful widget. I've installed the extension, that's why it helps me create template for it. STF for stateful and STL for stateless. So I'm writing the home screen. So here's the extension for this site Flutter. You will get Flutter widget snippets that for this one. Okay. And go to main home screen and import. Okay. Do the import. So I'm in the home screen. Let's create a scaffold. Scaffold basically is a widget that provides an area which can in which we can create app bar. Okay, let's create an app bar saying home app bar and the working area that user interact with and the bottom bar. So this is basically scaffold provides a window that to work with. Okay, now uh, I will create a body container. Because everything in Flutter is a widget, I will create a small functions. So here, subs column. So I will be creating a UI. So I need a text box. So for text box, I will be creating a form. It can accept a key. Let's create a key. It's form key, global key, and it's of type form state. Okay. So let me provide a key, one key, and here I need text form field. Okay. So now here I will provide a validator which will accept a value. If value is null or is empty, I will simply return this is required. Otherwise, return null. This means it is a valid input. Whenever you return null, it will be considered as a valid input. So this is a validator. So text form field is inside the form and form automatically checks the validation for the all the fields that are inside the form and its state will be stored in the form key. While going to the next page, so I will have a button here, elevated button and child. Let me name it as generate quiz. I know it'll be fine. Child. So on pressed is a required property. What to do on pressed? Yeah. So I have to firstly validate the state whether the user have input anything or not. Then only, then only if it is validated, I will because I'm using the get package. So I'm Okay, so I'm not using the get package right here. So let me add the get package. Should I do it in the next video? Okay, so we will do it in the next video. But let me explain you that on pressing the button form key, I'm checking the current state of that form key, which is not null. This is required. You can have to, and it is having a validate function. If the form is validated, then only you have to perform the operation. Otherwise, you don't have to, because it is required. I need a input from user. It is required. Let's say I am not like entering anything and clicking on generate quiz. It is saying this is required because I have written over there. This is required. You can change the message as per you want, but this is not looking good. We will work on the UI UX part